busy at Longreach? Look what I found. It's a likely character.
Shady.
Yes. Security.
Alright, check under here. Bit rough under there. A little bit tidy up. There we go, look at that. Clean as the whistle, we're ready to go.
We're at the Stockmans today. Stockmans Hall of Fame. Our last tour stop for Longreach. Pretty excited about this. We've heard good reviews. Sorry if you can't hear me. It's very windy. And Longreach is going to get some rain by the looks of it. Yeah. So we've packed up because where we were out at Apex Park, it was super dusty and you just get the slightest bit of water and it turns into gluggy mud. So keep that in mind if you're ever coming up to stay at Apex Park. Don't come when it's raining. It won't end up pretty. But anyway, we're here today at Stockman's.
Yep.
Pretty excited for this one, aren't we?
Yeah.
What do you reckon, old man?
Should be pretty good. Let's go and do it. We're late.
Yes, we're late. Let's get up and pack up. Anyway, we're here now. Take in.
It's still here.
It's still here. Take in. Show you around. What do you got there, old man? iPod, so you can listen to your stories in the museum.
Electronic equipment.
Yes, I can see.
Not what I do best.
Look, that lady's got a matching shirt like you. So we've currently got iPods on and it's telling you the story when you walk into that section. Really quite good actually. In case I didn't mention, we're in the museum. Reminds me of camping. And the old man's just tripped over. I don't think he's supposed to be out here.
I don't know.
But okay.
I'm just kicking up some dirt.
Yeah. I don't think you're actually supposed to walk out here, but if there's anywhere he's not supposed to be, is him.
Give the cleaner something to do. Oh, I did the same.
So that man just did the same thing.
Oh, I did the same thing. Just trying to do
Straight into the thing. You can't see it when you're looking. That makes him feel better.
I do.
You're not the only one who did it.
Yeah, that's just done.
Oh, good Lord. Did you see what I have to deal with everywhere we go? Can you see a pattern?
Yeah.
There's the bells.
We've got to press on the icon. Hang on, where's the bells?
Oh, okay. So we're trying to work out how to use these. Oh no, it brings it up automatically. Pioneer's Hut.
Oh, bells. Wait, watch it.
Come in.
Any dirt anywhere? No.
How would you like to cook in that every night? Campfire. I don't know where they sleep. Wool. Merino wool was huge back in the early 1800s. It's exported all back to England, apparently. There we go, 1821. The first lot of wool went up for sale, merino wool. Went back to England. Royalty lot from Thomas Esmond. Should we go up?
Yeah, one.
They're going up.
You know, on the time, what is that? We've got a band and stuff in.
Royal Flying Doctors. I see a plane here somewhere. Can't read what that says. It says Mount Isa Rotary World Championship Rodeo 1973. Open Buck Jump Mount Isa Mines Limited Trophy.
What's the movie?
Titanic.
I've seen it already. What else you got?
Stockmans, done the museum and watched the movie, cinema. Bit breezy at Longreach. Still. There. The windmill out. How's that?
Oh, good job. Okay. Here we go. Get the rocks out of that one. Okay, other foot. All right, that's looking a lot better there now. Oh, he's pretty grubby, but isn't he? Listen, just give me a sec. I'll just quickly grab a brush. I'll give you a quick tidy up with a brush here. Of course, they love a bit of a brush too, you know, on the tummy, under the arms. It's all good. Okay. Ooh. Oh, not again. Oh, this back's playing up. Just hang on, I'll try something that might be a bit easier on my back. Here we go, give this a go. Behind the ears, make sure you get right behind. Oh no. Look at that. You know, I broke the wife's good broom. That's no good at all. How's she going to get home now? Hang on, mate, just wait on. We'll get you tidied up. What have we got? Here. Give this a go. There we go. All right, now we go. Doing a good job here now, nice and tidy. Give the other side a go. There we go. Woo-woo. All right, check under here. Bit rough under there. A little bit of a tidy up. There we go, look at that. Clean as the whistle, we're ready to go. There's a young fellow working at the diesel co. He's gonna finish his apprenticeship and say some dough. Little bit of road, only 3 months to go. Said he's gonna head up north for a while, can't wait till the day he can make a mile. Maybe find a girl and give him that certain smile. Got a V8 Ute, she's low, just right on the full bar, sits the driving lights, 46 stacker in it, he works on her every night. He'll miss mom and dad and the footy team, but it's something you gotta do, or so it seems. Take a look around, the boys live in the marine, he's living in the marine. Yeah, living in the marine. Alright, as these sheep come out, you'll see a line of sheep through them. All the purple tags. They're merinos. That's what they would have been shearing around Longreach back in the day, and virtually all over Australia. Now, merino sheep are, of course, famous for their wrinkles. You'll see they've all got wrinkly necks on them there. If you took their coats off, they might even be a bit wrinkly over the back. Now, rumour has it back in 1872 when Gleason's Kelpie came about, rumour has it she was by a dingo. But it's taboo to have anything to do with the dingo back then, so it's never really mentioned out loud. The University of New South Wales actually done a study on the Kelpie dogs. As recently as the last 2 or 3 years, they found a bit of dingo DNA in the Kelpie dog. That's probably why you get that old yellow pup come through. When I got her, she was timid, she'd been mistreated a bit. So I've got much of a handle on Rose. I'm trying to build a bit of a bond up with her so I can get a bit of a handle on her in the near future. Now you notice Rose got a bum on as well. She likes a bit of wool between her teeth at times. It wasn't until I got Rose where I discovered you can get a bit of ADD in dogs as well. He's Cyril. What you notice about Cyril is, he takes no notice of the sheep, he's got no natural instinct in him. He's commonly known in the business as useless. They've got to have some natural instinct in your dogs to get them to actually work the livestock. If you look at the way Barney's set up here, all that floppy skin underneath him there, that's not actually for him to grow into, that's the cooling system. So wherever Barney stands, you can have a big piece of that in the shade of his body, with a bit of breeze blowing under there, will drop his core temperature. So he's able to handle those big, hot, dry days or weeks or even months. Another feature is the sunk-in eyes, hiding from the UV rays. No carefree eye stuff with the Brahman cattle at all. Set up very well for that. The floppy ears aren't that floppy, they sort the flies and bugs out at the front there. We've got the swatter on the back there doing this job as well. Brahman cattle have very thick skin, so they're virtually tick resistant. Mozzies and things like that don't worry them at all. The big hump on the back there, that's more of a brawn thing, I reckon. You know, mainly the bulls have the big hump. If you see them in the paddock, they'll be the bulls with the big hump. It's like a big bit of hard jelly. But they say